How's it going? You're looking at a 2026 Corsa 23 QC. So we got the quad loungers with our co-captain seat. You got these nice folding armrests here in the front of this boat. Lots of storage space. You have these nice grab handles here as well too for all our front passengers, as well as USB and USB-C charging ports for our cables for all of our electronics. As you move towards the midship of this boat, you obviously have the center tune storage, our nice high back co-captain seat with the table that's folding right in front of us here. So even on a 23-foot boat, I have plenty of space here. I'm very, very comfortable right here with that table out. Nice for snacks, drinks, whatever it is that you may be serving to your guests while you're on the boat. At the helm, we have our analog tachometer and speedometer, as well as some digital display options, whether it's oil temp, engine hours, fuel level. And then we have those push button controls here along the side, which are really nice. Still have our wireless control, flush mount Simrad and JBL sound system control too. So again, that helm is really sleek and nicely designed. This particular boat has the digital throttle and shift. And this one is equipped with a Mercury 250 Verado V8 engine. So plenty of get up and go on this boat. We have a nice raised helm as well too, so you can see over the top of the passengers that are sitting in front of you. As we move towards the transom of the boat, we've got our nice loungers here that are reflective of the ones that are in the front. We still have these nice armrests. Again, can't stress how nice those are, and the grab handles. You still have the charging stations, and this particular boat has that RGB light package. So in all of your cup holders, there's two on each side here in the back of the boat. Those are going to be backlit with the RGB selector that's at the helm. This boat, again, does feature the JBL sound system, is really well equipped. You can check out this boat on our website at marinemax.com, or you can see this boat in person at MarineMax Crosslake.